we get on trampoline and do some backflips. I need subscribers.
Yeah, it seems like a whole lot of work. Pretty sore being around all day.
And I've been sitting around all day. Look now. Walking down to the river right now. And I tell you, boy, it is cold in this long sleeve shirt. Pretty cool. But we have been gone like all freaking day. Look how pretty. Like a jungle. I hear people. Let's go see, shall we? Shall. By the way, if I see a snake like I did last time, I'm running. Me and DJ killed one. Oh, look, there's our doggy. Me and DJ killed a water moccasin last time we came down here. First time we saw it. Ooh, buddy, I was holding tail up the steps. I was daggone jumping these 2 steps. Ooh, buddy, you wouldn't have been us when we saw it. That sun gun, we wiggled the daggone dock and it came toward us. Ooh, buddy, I was holding tail. Here's someone coming right now, actually. I think the river got higher. I swear. Y'all are gonna be with me every step of the day. Every step of the night, my bad. Haven't done vlogged all day. Oh, I'm scared I'm gonna see water moccasins. These daggone water's moving. Scares me. See, I hear people. Ooh, buddy. Trying to watch. I'm gonna step. But if I drop it on the water, don't worry. It's waterproof. I have a waterproof case on it. Just kidding. No, I don't. I'm just very scared that I'm gonna see freaking moccasin. Moccasin. My bad. Ooh, dog, don't touch me like that. That scares me. Y'all, this is freaking cool. If this sunset was like right there, this would be such a freaking good photo shot. Be a good picture. Getting stuff off here. Really don't want to go down. I just stand here. I can walk down the road with y'all. Yes. Got like so many seconds already, but I can start a new one. Now. Whew. Buddy, I tell you, I'm so freaking scared that something's gonna jump at me every freaking minute. But my Uncle Ryan went to go get DJ, so. Oh, by the way, subscribe to him at DJAY. I think it's Pace, but I'm not sure. Okay, well, DJAYPACE.